Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can fix the Brave browser going black screen issue really quickly. So drop a like and let us dive into this. Alright, so if you have been experiencing this issue and if your Brave browser has been going black screen, especially after starting, simply follow my instructions, guys. What you want to do is access your browser settings here on Brave. Simply click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your home screen and access your browser settings here at the bottom. And inside your browser settings, simply head over to System here at the bottom of that left panel. And basically all you need to do, guys, is make sure that the graphics acceleration, or formerly known as hardware acceleration, is turned off for your Brave browser when available by switching it off here to the right. And that's basically it. Confirm that to apply these changes by clicking on relaunch, and after that these changes will be applied instantaneously, and that should fix the issue usually. Please let us know in the comments down below if it has fixed the issue for you guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.